So Steve and Chad helped me build this box here to start my seeds in. It's just 2x4s made into a box big enough, several pieces of wood big enough to fit exactly 4 trays of seeds in there. And then this is the lid. There is a light strip in here that has 6500 Kelvin light bulbs. And then let me flip this around and I'll show you here in just a second how this looks. So basically here is what it looks like if it's all closed up. And the lights will be in there, and the plants will be in there right underneath the light. And then as they grow, I can add the other tier and draw them a little bit away from the plants, away from the light. And then I should be able to start my really warm, loving, like peppers and tomatoes and stuff like that in my living room. On a side note, here is a picture of a fireplace that Cheyenne colored for me. And while we are doing this video, I want to give you a heads up on Friday. I'm planning to post a video and a giveaway. So please stay tuned for that, and we'll see you then. Thank you for watching.